Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll teach you how to make a Celtic Triquetra symbol, also known as a Trinity symbol. Okay, first thing we want to do is draw ourselves a line. You can make this line whatever length you like. It's easy to work with units such as 1, 10 or 20. Multiples of 10s are quite good, as you'll see why soon. Now what we want to do is we want to rotate this line 120 degrees. So make a copy, 120 degrees, and then another 120 degrees. All these lines are now the same length. You see here the angle between them all is 120, so 3 120s equals 360, which makes a perfect circle, as you can see here. So we'll get rid of that. Next thing we want to do is divide these lines into quarters. So I'm using a software package here called AutoCAD. Same thing applies with if you're drawing this with pencil and pen. It's just a lot easier with the software. Okay, if I delete this line, you can see that I've created 4 units. So 1, 2, 3, and there'll be 4 up there. Bring that line back. Okay, so basically, if we look at the distance here, it'll be the same between each point. And so there we go. That's oops, that one's not quite on there. They're all the same distance. What we want to do is create an arc with its middle point going through the first quarter. As you can see here, this is the first quarter. Okay, so we've got our first arc in there, and we want to divide the other four lines into quarters as well. So I'll do that. Then we'll create another arc going from here, this midpoint going through the quarter point, and then to the end point, and again from here to the quarter point to the end point. Okay. Next, what we want to do is give our symbol a little bit of thickness. So you can make this as thick as you like, and we just offset those lines. Clean up the other lines. Okay, and now with all knot work, it's usually going in an over and under pattern. So we might have this first line going over. This goes over these lines here, and as we come along, it wants to go under this line. So we'll delete that. So as you can see, we've got over, then under, then coming back here, wants to go back over. So that's basically that symbol there. If you wanted to, sometimes people put a circle in there. This might need to adjust our over and unders. Let's see, so we've got over here, we want to go under here, and then over, and we want to go under here, and then over, and then over here, and we've got over, and we want to go under with this one. Okay, if you clean up the lines, that's basically how you can make a Triquetra symbol. Hopefully it's been helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks.